Go on. They again, you know, OJ merge, you know, there, you know, and J there, you know. And yeah, today is Mother's Day, and I want to spend a special big up to all mothers. But most of all, special big up to, you know, the single mothers out there. I'm always have to send a special big up to all single mothers because motherhood not easy. You know, being a mother is a blessing, is a great thing. But as a single mother, it's never easy. You know, it's tough doing it by yourself. So, I want to send a special big up and a special, you know, shout out to all single moms. Big up all moms nonetheless. Grandmas, you know, stepmoms, you know, adopted moms, mother-in-laws that play that role. You know, mom is universal. The term is universal regardless. So, you know, on this special day for mothers, I want to say big up every mother from OJ Merge. Alright, so
Happy Mother's Day, guys.
Happy Mother's Day. So this morning Jay said she wants some ackee and saltfish. So I'm gonna make her some ackee and saltfish for breakfast. Now, who didn't know this, ackee and saltfish is the national dish in Jamaica. Or preferably, you know, we eat it any time of the day, but preferably morning time. So she like festival and she like ackee and saltfish. So we're gonna cook some festival and we're gonna fry some festival and cook some ackee and saltfish for her. Alright then, so stay tuned. And I one of them things, the OJ merge. So here we go. So right here we got some onions. We're gonna cut up some ground seasoning, you know. It's a nice little amount of ground seasoning. Got some scallion. Well, Jamaican people call this scallion. Here in America, it's known as green onions as well. So we're gonna cut up some green onion. Ackee and saltfish, you know, really take a lot. Now, we're gonna put a little piece of red pepper inside of there. Piece of bell pepper. Jamaicans don't call this bell pepper either, they call it sweet pepper. So, we're gonna put a little piece of sweet pepper inside of there. You know, that's a little piece. And then we're gonna go for some hot pepper, some real habanero type pepper, you know. I don't know anything of it. I think of it nice have some pepper in it. So we have a little seasoning, we'll prep that already. Put that to the side for now. What we need now is, normally in Jamaica we use saltfish. In America you can use codfish if you can't find a saltfish. Or you can use, you know, any fillet saltfish. You know, so we have some fillet salted fish. We use this as a saltfish in our because, you know, we don't have real authentic Jamaican style saltfish. But some of these saltfish are good as well. Very tasty, them can work. So we're gonna go with this. This is a good amount of saltfish. We ain't gonna use all of the saltfish. I'm gonna take off several pieces of it. Saltfish. Now nice little pot. I'm gonna put some water on it. We'll have the saltfish in some water. I'm gonna boil this. Alright, so the saltfish are boil. While the saltfish are boiling and do it thing, we'll start make up a festival. You know, so we'll dry for them things. Right, so for the festival, little bit of salt, flour, some sugar. You need your baking powder and your milk. We use the organic milk at the end of the day, you know that work already, so that's how we have a meal we're dumpling with. Alright? Put a little bit of salt. Need your baking powder, make the festival them fluffy. Got some granulated sugar. Add your milk. Add your milk and then start mixing it. Box milk. Just keep adding box milk till you get the dough right level. Until the dough form. See a festival come together. Festival are gonna come together. Nice. And then you just keep mealing it till the dough get nice and firm. So yeah, already prep seasoning. We make a festival already. Festival is already made. We boil saltfish and we're waiting on the saltfish to boil nicely so we can pick it up. And then we can start the cooking process. As I say again, in our OJ merge, you know, the mother's the Ackee and Saltfish, you know. And we in the building. Alrighty, so saltfish finish boil now. So I chew off the water for the saltfish. Now we're gonna pick the saltfish apart. So the prep time is longer than the cook time. The prep time take a little bit to prep. Alright, these saltfish, they don't really have bones in them, so you know, then go ahead and pick up your saltfish inside of your plate. You ain't gotta cut it, just kind of break it up a little bit inside of there. The reason why we boil the saltfish is to boil the salt off because it's very salty. So when you boil it, you get some of the salt off of it. Now we can start get the pan heated. So frying pan's on. Start getting that one heated. Also, we're gonna get the festival oil heated. So I fry the festival in a bigger pan. I want the festival to kind of deep fry, you know, get some oil. Alright, so we have the oil. Let's say you use vegetable oil, any oil, whatever it is. I like to use the extra virgin olive oil. Little bit for your seasoning. Just a little bit. Fry up your brown seasoning and your saltfish. More. Here we go. And now for the festival side, a little bit more than usual. Not that much oil in the pan. That's for the seasoning. And then you have oil, the festival. We're gonna start frying up our little seasoning. The saltfish into that. So now we have our seasonings and our saltfish. You know, kind of salty a little bit. Get that flavor in them. We're going to be using the grease Ackee. And this is Ackee right here. In Jamaica, as I said again, Ackee and Saltfish is the national dish. Ackee is classified as a fruit. It's not sweet. It has a kind of the taste is hard to describe, or the texture. Texture is very kind of creamy when cooked. You know, got some black seeds inside of there. You take those out and clean it up nicely. I wish I had the real Ackee from the tree to show you. We clean it up and all of that. But today we're using Grace Ackee, and that's what we're going with. Ah, that's good. Alright, so now we're adding the Ackee, and not to break up the Ackee too much, we're gonna just, you know, let that cook. The Ackee that comes in the tin already they already boil it. So normally when you pick the Ackee off the tree and you take the seeds out and you clean it up, you'd have to boil the Ackee first, just like how you boil the saltfish, and then, you know, cook it down. These Ackees, they come already boiled, so you ain't got to do all of that. A little black pepper, just because. Ain't got to if you don't want to. Add a little black pepper to it. Let that go and simmer. Now we're gonna move over to the other side. This side now get festival intact. So we already made our festival dough. So now we're gonna be rolling these dumplings like this, festival style. Dropping them. Turning it all nice and low. Oil look like it turn up a little bit high. So nice and low. Alright, so the festival are doing thing. Back to Ackee and Saltfish. Eat a look. Nice. Ackee and Saltfish bubble down. See again. Good to go. You not even really have to stir it up. Lovely. Alright. So festival them are fry nicely. Low fire. Go on fry. Festival them ready. So I'll start to take out some of them. Nice and spongy. Alright, so we're done. I set up. Say again, with the Ackee and Saltfish, I can eat it with bread.
I'll go back for seconds.
So we'll add some avocado to the mix. And that is it right there. Alright. So, enjoy. How's it, baby?
It's yummy. My baby keeps trying to pull it down though. My baby keeps trying to pull my plate. I think he wants some too.
Kingston, leave the food alone. It's not time to eat that type of food, buddy.
And my favorite part is the festival outside of the Ackee and Saltfish, of course. But love me some vegetable.
Yeah, she do love some vegetable.
This is a beautiful Mother's Day breakfast, baby. I really appreciate it. It's delicious, and I'm so happy that you prepared it for me.
You're welcome. Very much deserved.
Thank you.
There you have it. Ackee and Saltfish Avocado Festival and Kingston being bad as usual. Hey Papa! And I'm gonna say again, I eat that, you know, good old Ackee and Saltfish, you know, and festival with some avocado. You know, you pour up some orange juice on the side and about I eat that, none too tough to it. But I'm gonna say again, it's a very important dish to Jamaicans because this is a national dish. Ackee and Saltfish. Some people eat with roast breadfruit, some people like boiled dumpling, some people just got bread, some people just eat it by itself. But yeah, it's Ackee and Saltfish. Alright then, I'm gonna say again in OJ merge. O and J, OJ merge. And we out again in Mother's Day, Ackee and Saltfish plan. Boom.
Are you me lover, you me want to be my only chick. Girl, give me your finger, me have to put a ring on it. Night nurse, me addicted to your nightly trick. Never get a loving like this, like this.